Top 10 Unbelievable Inventions of India. For decades, India have been a poor and developing country. When people think about India, the first idea or the image that comes in our mind is about traditional cultures, local trends, and obviously the crowd and increasing population. But you might not be aware of the great side about it. And today I am going to share such 10 inventions that had probably shocked the world. Number 1. Diamond drills. You might observe 1,000 more number of glass buildings in other parts of the world except India. As India is a developing country, so it has comparatively less. But do you know the drill bit of diamond, using which holes are made on glasses and metals, was invented in India? But Indians didn't stop here itself. They also developed double diamond tip drills for bead manufacturing. Number 2. The zero invention. No, that doesn't mean that they has not invented anything, but it means the digit 0 was invented in India. Shocked, right? Yes. It is one of the most important inventions in the field of mathematics. It is not possible to complete even first 10 digits except 0. Without 0, there would be no binary system, no computers. All credit goes to the famous Indian Aryabhatta. Number 3. Iron pillar. Will you be able to make such an iron object that would not be corroded even if it is exposed in the air? What a foolish question. But I will tell you it's possible. In India, local Indian blacksmiths build such a type of iron pillar that has not corroded even it is exposed in air. Scientists all over the world were astonished after seeing such unbelievable skills of Indians. Number 4. Now it's unbelievable, extraordinary, mind-blowing and amazing and fantastic too. But before that, tell me, how many such materials are there in your house that uses a USB port or cable? There are hundreds. And surprisingly, that USB was invented in India. But they didn't stop here. The same person who invented USB also invented pen drive, or the storage device that you have. Isn't amazing? All credit goes to Ajay V. Bhatt, who was an Indian American computer architect. Number 5. Wireless communication. This was a revolution and changed the world in the field of technology. Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose was the first person to demonstrate the use of radio waves for communication publicly. Back in 1895, he invented wireless communication technology, which helped in quick messaging and replies. Number 6. Shampoo. Yes, our daily using product. Shampoo was also invented in India. It was first prepared in the form of Ayurveda, and now it is mixed with chemicals to make it more efficient, but the basic formula, the basic model was given by Indians. And surprisingly, the Ayurveda itself was also invented by India. Number 7. Self-repairing roads. Did you ever heard about such a road that would repair itself? No, right? But recently, Nimkuman Bhantia developed such a road that would repair its cracks when water fell on it. Surprisingly, its key component is fly ash, which consists of 60% of the road and only 40% is cement. Number 8. Clothing. Before British ruined India, India gave finest quality cotton clothes all over the world. Not only cotton but also jute as well. World markets were flourished with Indian products, but it also exported jute as well. Number 9. Cataract surgery. It gave another shake to the medical field. An Indian physician, Sushruta, developed a method where he used a curved needle to loosen the lens and pushed the cataract back into the eye. He used warm water to soak the affected area and bandaged until they were healed. Number 10. Kabbaddi, Ludo, Snake and Ladder and other board games were invented in India. So comment in the box given below how interesting was these facts. If you like this video, give a like. You can share this video and do not forget to subscribe our channel to get such interesting facts and healthcare videos. So that's all for today. See you on the next video. Till the time, bye bye.